Hello friends, a very warm welcome to our wonderful video, to our wonderful channel. In this video we are gonna discuss how to make him to commit you, how to make your partner to commit you, to give you long-term commitment, to be loyal to you, to be faithful to you, to be of yours only. One thing that this spell is only for girls, for women, for ladies, not for gents. So, dear sisters, if you are worried or if you believe that your partner, your boyfriend is not able to commit or is not able to give you a long term commitment or is not loyal to you or is not in talking terms with you or has been avoiding you, you want a lifelong permanent commitment from your partner, then you must try this commit me now love spell, which can be performed when you are under menses. So, if a girl is under her menstruation cycle, if a girl is under her menstruation cycle, she can perform this powerful spell which will help her to make sure that her partner is completely loyal to her and is committed to her only. So this is a very powerful love spell which has never failed, and it has always yielded positive results and has always given positive results. So if you really want that this spell should work for you and you should not face any other problems, so you must try this menstruation love spell, which will make sure, which will bind your partner to be with you only and to give a long term commitment right now. The best part of this spell is right now, that is immediate results. If you are under menstruation cycle and you want to go with this spell, then you can perform this powerful spell which will help you to give you the immediate results. So in this spell, first of all, you must have to be under your menstrual cycle, right? And along with this, you would be needing 5 strawberries. Some people will call this spell as a menstruation strawberry love spell, which will make sure that your partner comes to you. So if you've got 5 strawberries and you are on the first day of your menses cycle, what would you do? On one strawberry, you will write down your target person's name, your lover's name, your boyfriend's name on that strawberry. After writing down the name on the strawberry, you will be touching that strawberry with your outside, from the outside, with your menses pad. And you are gonna read Mam Vashyam Bhava. These powerful words you are gonna chant Mam Vashyam Bhava 31 times on that particular strawberry, and you will be eating that strawberry. For complete 5 days, you are gonna perform this spell, and on sixth day immediately you will be getting a call from your target person, from your lover, and he will be apologizing you and will be saying that he wants to marry you right now. He wants to have a legal marriage with you, a consensual marriage with you. He wants to go to church, he wants to go to mosque to read this marriage with you. And once you have done it, this is irreversible, irrevocable spell which will make sure that your partner is committed to you only and cannot move away from you. If you have any doubt regarding this spell, please feel free to call us on the number which is there on your screen. And before going, I would like to clarify you that this spell is only for ladies. They can perform under their menstrual cycle, and for 5 days it is generally assumed that the cycle lasts for 5 days. So every day they need to do this thing, and they need to chant it 31 times. On sixth day, believe me dear sisters, this is the most powerful spell. On sixth day you will have all the results and you will not face any other problems. After this, your target person is gonna commit you, and you need not to approach him, you need not to say anything to him. He is the one who will be approaching you. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video for latest updates and notifications. Till that moment, take care. God bless you. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.